Welcome to this video on search intent, the foundation of modern SEO. We'll explore the why behind every search query and how understanding it is crucial for digital success. Search intent is the user's primary goal when typing a query. It defines the why behind the search and is influenced by the core objective, user psychology, and the relevance engine. Understanding search intent matters for several reasons. It leads to higher rankings, better traffic, a reduced bounce rate, and ultimately, greater user satisfaction. Google decodes intent using advanced machine learning and AI, analyzing search query words, user behavior, previous history, and location and device information. Informational intent means users seek specific answers, facts, or general knowledge. Content should include blog posts, guides, tutorials, and educational material. Navigational intent is when a user knows exactly where they want to go and uses the search engine as a shortcut to reach a specific brand or page. Examples include Facebook login or YouTube Studio. Commercial investigation is when users research products or services before making a final purchase decision. They are looking for the quote options. Best content includes comparison charts and buying guides. Transactional intent indicates a user is ready to buy or perform a specific action, having finished their research. High intent keywords include buy SEO service or hire SEO expert. An intent-driven content strategy focuses on keyword selection based on intent, SERP analysis to see winning formats, and content matching to directly address the user's why. Common intent pitfalls include focusing only on keywords, ignoring user intent analysis, using the wrong content type, and skipping SERP observation. These mistakes can lead to lower rankings. To master intent for growth, align your content with all 4 types of intent: informational, navigational, commercial, and transactional. When your content matches search intent, Google prioritizes your success.